ya serikali koragwa no muraibe kiama gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigoria itko ria rero basangana babwatani be kanisa ya PCEA Embakasi aigo mucho Nairobi abara yabo nigo bagikiri obosagani bw'emisangerekano yabo ime CHIKANISA na gisiasa na kogikeria serikali asogotaimukia egetambukero ase chinkwana chabo nigo bamubori muraibe nse Dr. William Ruto wenekia obotoereru bw'emisangerekano eliense techagosoa asilibera lia gisiasa asa matko alebosio Mulikito Edina Mora na mange.
Abarai benseme kwamereria serikali bagenderere kugikeria obutumeki bw'abasagani ase ebisasimero boigona semisangerekano ya gisiasa. Ase bagoteba obosibore bw'ogosasima na gusangerekana goikabosikwe korengana nerichiko. Bagukwana imeye kanisa ya PCA utawala imeye constituency ya Embakasi East igaigasomo cho Nairobi abarayaba bakorawa n'umuraywe kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigatebire kiramo Kenya nale n'obosibore na obwene bwaye butari kwengererwa nonde bwensi.
And as we approach 2027, we ask William Ruto to rein in on his CS and his PS to stop bullying, to stop chaos, to stop violence.
Umuraiwe kiama kia DAP Kenya Eugene Wamalwa nerenigo aragire bokongu okoburukaniwa kw'emisangerekano yabo ase yairire amakweli y'abantu babere.
Kanisa muendelee kuombea taifa letu. Sababu what is happening in our country is a violation of our constitution. Our constitution guarantees certain rights and freedoms. One of the most sacred of all is that of freedom of worship. Kakamega kule jana, there was an attempted disruption ya one of our one-term meetings. And unfortunately, another life was lost yesterday in Western Kenya. Tukitoka Ingo leo tumehuzunika na yale yamefanyika jana. Hapa Kitengela, tulikuwa tena na mkutano mwingine wa one-term. Tena kijana mwingine akawawa tena.
Oigo umurwaniriria bwekirogo ky'oburai bwense Fred Matiang'i bwekiama kya Jubilee nereniga kureirenga ense nigeroche asabe na kumuburia umurai bwense koire getambokero kya bwango.
Mr. President, you have once again misled the mood of the country. Tukiendelea hivi, we are headed the wrong direction. Na hiyo wrong direction wakubwa wa serikali mutaiona nyinyi wenyewe karibuni. When you see the anger and the resistance and the pain that we saw yesterday, if I was in the security sector today, I would be very worried. Wananchi wamefika mahali, they are determined to face the tear gas, face the bullet and make a point. So, do the right thing.
Umurai wikiama kia PEP Martha Karua boigo umurai wikiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka na barabonigo basingereirenga ense wikebe no murembe na ogosikwa kwerichiko na kuburia ekanisa gotogonyera obububu bugenderete imeyense ase bamomochirie umutenerio munene w'ebikosi by'abanyanyimbo asukuruta emirimo yaye asomo waziri w'oburendi bw'ime.
Nchi nayo inahitaji mipango na mipango ya nchi ni kufuata sheria zetu. Yale maovu yote tunaona ni sababu ya kutojari sheria na kutumia matakwa ya mtu na uhuni.
I will be very careful, Mheshimiwa CS, tukienda huko kesho, nikubali or not address William Ruto as Mr. President. People are tired. Watu wamechoka. Watu wanataka, this is revolution time. The youth of this nation have decided to take their country back. They are concerned about integrity, even in church, integrity everywhere.
Kuripoteria ATV Yensoko Erita Nedina Mora.